Okay, we're here at the clubhouse and we're looking for hidden moisture. It had a water damage that came from the bathroom, which is right on the other side of this wall. But they believe that this floor wasn't dried properly. So what we're going to do is walk over to an area that we know that was not affected. Right here. And put down a moisture meter. And if you see, 11%. 11.1 is the highest. That's what the acceptable range is. About 10 to 12% is okay in New England. Try another area. 9.5. Now we'll head back over towards where this table is. We're at 35. This is a non-evasive meter, meaning we're not going to make any destructive holes in the floor. If we used a probe, look at that, 76%. It's still almost so they still have moisture issues under this floor. So remember, when you're drying, please choose New Dimension Cleaning and Restoration.